In January 2011, Democrat Jerry Brown was elected as California's governor. With the Democrats already controlling both houses of state government, this ushered in a new progressive policy agenda strongly supported by labor, environmental, and community-based organizations. The new California policy model included progressive policies for workers' rights, like raising the minimum wage, combating wage theft, extending paid sick leave to all workers, and creating a statewide retirement savings plan. California also created new policies that increased taxes on corporations and the wealthy. New policies were enacted to increase investments on infrastructure and housing. California also expanded protections for the environment. And California also created new policies that expanded Medicaid and access to health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. Conservative critics say that higher taxes and increased regulation stifle economic growth and kill jobs. So, has California's great progressive experiment come at a high economic cost to the state? In an attempt to find out, we compared California to an average of all the states that were under complete Republican control throughout the same time period. We found that California had both greater employment growth and stronger economic growth than the Republican-led states. But what if comparing California to an average of all Republican states is not an appropriate comparison? To address this, our researchers used a statistical model to simulate California under conservative control that did not implement this set of progressive policies. Our model closely matched California in the years leading up to the election of 2011, but when progressive policies begin, the lines start to diverge. Comparing actual progressive California to our control model of California, we find that employment and GDP are both higher in progressive California. We also found that wage growth was greater, especially for low-wage workers in progressive California compared to our conservative California model. So, progressive California has higher employment, higher GDP, and more people have access to health insurance, higher wages, paid sick leave, retirement accounts, a stronger safety net, and a cleaner environment.